swiftly on.
Welcome back to another tutorial, and today we've had another request. We are looking at how to draw and how to draw a monkey. So, if you're interested in learning how to draw a monkey, stick around. Let's get crafting. Okay, so let's have a look at drawing a monkey. So we're going to start with an oval on its side. Again, nice and soft lines because you want to be able to rub these out. And that is going to be the start of where our mouth is. And then on top of that, we're going to do almost like a rainbow from one side to the other, like that. Right the way over the top to make up the rest of his head. So that's going to be our mouth, that's going to be our head. Then we're going to look at popping some ears on the side. So our ears are going to come out here, and we're going to make them quite big and quite funny. So we're going to start here, and we're going to go out, and they're going to be kind of a bit like a triangle. And they're going to come back in there, like that. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Now it doesn't matter a great deal if they're not symmetrical, because it'll probably just make it look a little bit funnier. And on the inside we do a little semicircle. Actually it's more like a circle than a semicircle. Like that. So we've got our ears. The shape of our head, and then we're gonna pop here. We're going to start here, and we're gonna follow the line of the head, and then we're gonna do like an M. So we're gonna go like that, and then do the same on the other side. So they need to join up in the middle to make an M like that. Where that M is going to tell us where our eyes need to be. So our eyes are going to fill these two gaps. So I'm going to do one there. Middle of our eyes, I'm just going to do another little circle like that. So our nose is going to be where this line is here. So I'm actually going to take my rubber and I'm going to rub out that part of the line because we don't need it. So I'm going to get rid of that part. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw our nose. So our nose is just going to be two little dots like that. Then over the top, we're just going to do a little curve like that. And that is going to be our nose. It's a bit like an upside down smiley face, if you can see that. So we've got our nose, and in this big space here we need our mouth. So I'm going to do a slightly open smile, I think. So I'm going to go across like that. I'm going to follow underneath, do a little bit of an open smile. I always like to put a little kind of curly curve in the side of each one to make it look like they're smiling and a bit happier. Pretty happy with that so far. And then on the top, to try and make it look a bit more like it's actually furry, I'm gonna do some little hairy bits like that to make him look a bit more like he's got some fur. Like that. I'm going to do the same, I think, on his ears. Just on the tops, I think. And maybe down the sides a little bit as well. And that is our basic head shape for our monkey. And next we are going to have a look at doing his body. So his body, I'm going to start with his neck. So in the middle, we're not going to do a very big neck, it's going to just go down like that, and that's going to be our neck. And our body, now you can make this body as big as you like or as small as you like. What I'm going to do is down here, I'm going to draw a circle where his belly would be. That's where his belly is going to be. And I'm going to join it up to his neck, like that. So I've got a sort of basic body shape, and around about there would be where his belly button would be. And then we do, monkeys have this different coloured patch on the stomach in most cartoons, so we're going to put that there. And let's have a look at our arms. So my monkey, I think I'm going to have him hanging from a branch, so I'm just going to draw a little branch over here. Because I'm just going to have him hanging onto it here. So my first arm is going to come out at the top like that and behind his head. And then up here, I'm just going to have him, I'm just going to draw his fingers around there. And his hand's going to be like that. So that it looks like he's hanging onto the tree with this arm. Giving him quite a long arm. And the other arm, I think, with him being a monkey, I think we're going to make him hold a banana. So let's have his arm go down like that, and then come up. And then we like to do a bit of hair before his hand. And I'm just going to draw the banana first. So I'm going to draw a curve, another curve, another curve, and that's going to be my banana shape. Let's put that on the end. And then I'm going to choose here, because this is where it's going to be peeled back. So we're just going to do a bit of peeled banana, and rub the top off, and let's make it so that his head bites out of it. It's not the best banana I've ever drawn, but it'll work. Holding on to a banana, and his legs, I'm just going to have his legs dangling down, I think. So all I'm going to do with his legs is just draw lines going down like that. And they're just going to be a little bit bent, I think, because he's hanging, so they probably wouldn't be straight. And then his feet, I always like, when I'm going to do feet, I always like to kind of draw a triangle first, like that. And then I'll put my toes on. I'm just going to give him 3 toes. Because we are doing a cartoon monkey. And we're just doing some hairs there before the feet. And I've put some nails on him. And you might put a few hairs on his feet. Right, so round all the edges of his stomach and his body and his feet, I'm going to do the same as what I've done on top of his head and just do some little furry bits, I think, just to make it look a little bit better, to be fair. And the same on this tuft on the middle of his stomach. I'm just going to make it look a little bit more like hair, because I think when we're finished it'll make it look a lot better. Right, now obviously we've still got all our guidelines like these ones here, so if you're keeping yours as a pencil drawing, you're going to want to go and rub those out and then come back in with your pencil and just go over the lines that you might have rubbed out by accident. Or if you're doing what I'm doing, now is the time when you're going to get your black felt tip out and go over your lines so you can rub out your pencil. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I've just realised that we never did a tail, so I'm going to add a tail on now, and my tail's going to go like this, and it's just going to curl up here. So we just draw a nice curl, and then we do the same next to it, just following the line, and I will try and make the end slightly fatter when you get to point there. Let's go over that with that as well. And there we go. And I'm just going to quickly rub out all of our pencil lines, so that we can see what it looks like without all of those. This is where you want a nice clean rubber, and it's where you find out whether or not you've done nice soft pencil lines. I'll say I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to give it a bit of colour and we'll have a look what it looks like after. Okay, so that's our monkey finished. So I've just finished it off by using some felt tips to colour him in. Now, I'd have liked to have had two different browns because I would have preferred to have done it in brown and brown, but like a dark and a light one, so I had to use yellow instead, but I still think it looks pretty good. So hopefully you've enjoyed having a go at drawing a monkey. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed having a go at learning how to draw a monkey. If you've had a go and you'd like to show me, please ask your parents to send it to me either via email or on Dojo, because I'd love to see it. So until next time, keep on crafting.